Great for cutting dough, sectioning crusts, scraping baking sheets, chopping veggies and more. Stainless steel blade includes quarter-inch markings for easy measuring. Soft, comfortable non-slip handle. Tall enough to keep hands away from food. Dishwasher safe. Named for its shape, the Y peeler features a sharp, stainless steel blade that glides through even the toughest fruit and vegetable skins with ease. The soft, comfortable handle cushions your hand as you peel, and is non-slip, even when your hands are wet. Top reviews from the United States. Handy for dough and cleanup. Not sure if this is that different from any other bench scraper, but it works and the handle is comfortable enough. These tools are good for both cutting dough and for cleanup of your countertop afterward, provided you have a flat uninterrupted surface.